Welcome to this in-depth review of website name, one of the most popular and user-friendly e-wallets for managing cryptocurrency today. With an intuitive interface designed for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts, website name offers a streamlined experience for transferring, receiving, and securely storing digital assets. It provides advanced encryption to ensure the safety of your funds and gives users peace of mind with its robust security protocols. Additionally, it supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile option for diverse portfolios. Navigating through website name is straightforward. From the homepage, users can quickly access their wallets, review their transaction history, and monitor their portfolio's performance in real time. The platform also allows for customizable notifications, so you'll always stay informed about market movements and wallet activities. Another standout feature is the seamless integration with exchanges, letting you buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly without the need for third-party applications. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Beyond these functionalities, website name excels in transaction speed. Transfers are processed quickly, ensuring that your assets move where they need to be without delays. The platform also features a user-friendly mobile app, giving you access to your digital wallet on the go. Whether you are a day trader, long-term investor, or just starting in the world of crypto, website name provides the tools you need to succeed. If you're someone who values privacy and control over your financial assets, you'll appreciate the comprehensive settings offered by website name. Users can enable multi-factor authentication, create recovery phrases, and set spending limits to enhance security. Moreover, the e-wallet includes detailed reports and analytics, helping you stay informed about your asset performance and transaction history. For those venturing into the decentralized finance, DeFi space, website name offers compatibility with several DeFi protocols, allowing you to connect to dApps and explore innovative financial products. The integration with NFTs is another exciting feature, providing a secure way to manage your digital collectibles. Subscribe to our channel now for more detailed walkthroughs and crypto insights. Don't forget to hit the like button to support our content and help others discover this valuable information.